Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss some important question of related to addressing mode asked in GATE, UGC and all the previous year exam. Okay, so first question is that it's question asked in NILET exam. So addressing mode used in instruction add xy. So add x and y, this is part of index addressing mode. Okay, so indirect is not answer and absolute is not the answer, so only option C is the correct. Okay, so now next is important related information about index addressing mode is that it added to the address part of the instruction to obtain the effective address. Another example of index addressing mode is that it access the array element like this. Okay, so it access the array element, so for this reason it is named index addressing mode. Now next question is that in absolute, okay, this absolute addressing mode, it is give the important point related with absolute addressing mode. So check the option 1, the operand is inside the instruction. That is not true, because the operand is not inside the instruction. This is the work of implicit addressing mode. Okay, so now check option 3, that is the register. Okay, here it mentioned the register, so this is not, this is the register addressing mode. Now location of the operand is implicit, so this is also not, because it is also the implicit addressing mode, so only option 2 is remain. So option 2 is correct, that is the address of the operand is inside the instruction. Now this question asking UGC net. So in addressing dash addressing mode, the operand stored in the memory, the address of the corresponding memory location is given register. Okay, register is given, so register which is specified the information, so register is specified the instruction. So this is the work of indirect. Indirectly is what the work is indirectly done, so for this reason it is register indirect addressing mode. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So register direct addressing mode, that is add B. Okay, it is directly given. So register is directly given, it is the directly related with CPU. Okay, register direct addressing mode, but register indirect addressing mode are done with indirectly. Okay, so like if we write add MAR, so that is the example of register indirect addressing mode. Okay, so now next is, it is given that four type of addressing mode, that is implied. Okay, implied is find the option that is implicitly, so this is the option A is option with 4. Okay, now next is immediately, so register with CPU, that is, so now register with, okay, wait, option D, option C is register and option D is register indirect. Indirect is the register. Option 2, register specify the address of the operand. From the previous question you can see that these things, and now this register indirect is register specify the address of the operand. Now register is, it is specified in register, so this is option C is 3, option C is 3 and option A is 4. Now option B is 1. Okay, immediate addressing mode is register with CPU, so this option 2 is correct. So now next is UGC NET 2018 question paper. So it is given the auto increment addressing mode. Okay, so auto increment addressing mode is useful for self relocating. No, this is not the work of auto increment addressing mode. It does not self relocate. Okay, self relocate, the work is the relation addressing mode, that is the done of self relocation. Okay, so now next is auto addressing include the ALU is effective addressing mode, so this is not, option 3 is correct. Okay, auto addressing mode is amount increment depend on the size of the data. Okay, auto increment is that like INC, that is increment. Okay, so this is the option. Now check the from the previous solution of the previous question. Okay, so auto increment addressing mode address where next data block is stored generally automatically depending on the size of the single data to store. So self relocating code take only address. When address is given at that time, self relocating are done, but in auto increment addressing mode directly inc is given, so they have no address. For this reason the self relocating is not the option 1 is incorrect. Okay, so now next is which of the following addressing mode suitable for relocation program. Okay, relocation are only done in two addressing modes. The first is base addressing and second is relative addressing. Okay, so option 2 and 3 is the correct. So which of the following addressing modes permits the relocation without any change whatever in the code. Okay, it does not change, so that is the work of. Okay, so relocation is work in which, that is from the previous question you can see that base addressing mode and relative addressing mode. So base and relative. Oh, okay, this option A and B are incorrect because this is not the relocation is done here, but base register and PC relative are related with relocation. But in a base register you can change the address, but in PC it whatever the code is done, that is whatever in the code without any change. So that is option 4 is correct, that is PC relative addressing mode does not permit the changes. So now next is consider the hypothetical process, which is what is the type of instruction. Okay, all these things are not related with it, it is redundant. Okay, so you have to find this from LWR1 this is what type of addressing mode. So you can see that 20 R1. Okay, if bracket is given, when bracket is or third bracket is given, so this is the work of index addressing mode. So option 4 is correct, base index addressing mode. Now next is a to nihilate. Okay, this is question also asked in nihilate exam. So two word instruction is stored in A. Okay, in A there two word instruction is stored. Okay, two word instruction is stored, and if the addressing is mode is relative and its instruction is hold in B, this instruction is hold in B. So if the mode is relative, say the operand available in the location. What option? So the option, this option is correct. So this option A is correct. So you can see the answer here. Effective address is equal to program counter plus operand part. Okay, so here you can see that here PC is store A plus 2. Why A plus 2? Because it is A is two addressing, two word instruction stored. For this reason A plus 2 is stored and operand B. So add the all three and then get the answer. Now next is the number of memory cycle needed to execute the this instruction. Okay, so in the first is what it is, third bracket is given, so I said that when bracket is given, that is index addressing mode. Okay, so index addressing mode, and this is what, this is indirect addressing mode. Okay, so index addressing mode take one cycle, always remember this thing, and indirect addressing mode take two cycle. Okay, two cycle, and indirect, okay, indirect take two cycles. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Option 3 is correct. So this is question in ISRO. Okay, so which addressing mode effective address is given. Okay, effective address is generated by constant value. Constant value is done in constant value generated by adding the constant value. Okay, adding the constant, that is index mode. In index mode, that is given like this. So the base address is add with index value. Okay, this value, that is 10. If the base address is 100, then it is add with 10, that is we get 110. So it add the constant value. So for this reason option D is correct. So now moving the next question. So I would like to tell you that please subscribe my channel because there have very low subscribers. So please subscribe my channel. Okay, to motivate me so that I can provide you this best question. Okay, So please subscribe and share with your friend. Okay. So this question is asking ISRO, the immediate addressing mode can be used for loading internal register, that is option A, and option B is that. Okay, loading internal register initial value with 1 or performing arithmetic operation. So option, both are option are correct. This is current question, okay, current year 2020. This question is asked. Okay, so the immediate addressing mode, the work of immediate addressing mode is its data is directly given. Okay, in immediate addressing mode data is directly given. So for example, at 05, okay, here the data is directly given. So for this reason it is loading the internal register with initial value. This is correct. Okay, and the perform arithmetic, it also perform the arithmetic operation. Okay, so this is the last question.